Okay, this is William reading his Goodnight Moon book. Right. In the great
room,
there was a
telephone,
and a
red blue,
and a picture of
castle, and over the moon.
And there were
Little bears sleep on chairs.
and two
Two little kittens,
and a
pair of mittens,
and a little toy
house,
and a
young mouse,
and a comb and a brush
bowl full of mush.
and a quiet old lady. Good night.
Good night, lady.
Good night, room. Good night, moon. Okay, it says good night, moon.
A big moon
Mm-hmm.
and a little moon.
And what's this page say? Good night, cow.
Good night, cow jumping over the moon.
Good night, light.
Good night, and the red balloon.
Good night, bears.
Good night, bears.
And what's the next one? Good night, chairs.
Good night, chairs.
Good night. Which one's that? Good night.
Good night, kittens.
And good night.
Good night, mittens.
Good night, clocks.
Good night, clocks.
Good night.
Good night, socks. Where socks go?
Right there. Good night, little.
Good night, little house.
And good night.
Good night, mouse.
Good night, comb. Good night, brush. Good night.
Good night, nobody.
Good night.
Good night, mush.
And good night to the old lady. Good night, stars. Good night.
Good night, air.
Good night.
Good night, noises everywhere. The end.
Good job. You gonna put it in your bed? Okay. Say good night.
Good night.
Say goodbye to the camera.
Good night, camera.